Good morning. It has been a hot minute since I posted a video last, so welcome to the vlog today. I was feeling a little bit sad this week, so what I do to make myself feel better is go to Disney. I had a free day today where I didn't have to work. So today's Sunday, October 1st, and I'm gonna go just spend the day at Animal Kingdom because I feel like I never get to go there very often. It's one of the parks that I tend to skip because I'm so busy trying to fit everything else in that I just don't get a lot of time at this park. So I'm super excited to go spend time there today. Not gonna be as long as my normal days at like Magic Kingdom or Hollywood Studios. So I should get back at a decent-ish time today, but we'll see. I got some toaster strudel on my spooky Halloween plate. Quick little fit check before I leave. I got on my black tank top from Amazon. These cheetah print Inaka Power shorts are perfect for Animal Kingdom. And then I have my Mickey Mouse Amazon socks. So let's go to Disney in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. So yes, we missed a 3.5 hour drive. That was crazy because people here just don't know how to drive very well. So I feared for my life a couple times, but we are here safe and sound, and that is all that matters. The weather is so ugly today. It was just like raining on and off the entire drive here, which was whatever. I knew it was gonna thunderstorm today, so I did bring my poncho, but look at the skies here. The skies are just horrendous. Once I got into Kissimmee, I thought I was in the clear because the skies turned blue and it was so pretty and just peaceful. And then once I got onto like Disney property, now all of this is just like nasty skies. So we're gonna expect some rain today, but we're still gonna have fun. Okay, we made it into the park, but did not get far until it started downpouring. I went to the bathroom like right when you walk into the park, and when I came out, it was like this. So good thing I brought my rain poncho. I know they don't look the most attractive, but it does keep you dry. My clothes are dry. My shoes, unfortunately, are not. I actually want to look into getting those like Ziploc bag things. I know they're not a Ziploc bag, but they cover your shoes and keep them dry, and that would be perfect right now. Looking at the forecast, it is supposed to do this the entire day, literally until I leave. So I'm hoping that that is incorrect and it just kind of comes and goes throughout the day. This is no fun to walk in. Everyone's trying to take cover somewhere. I did go look at the gift shop a little bit before I came over here and found this like little umbrella area. I want to hit Dinosaur first, I think, or maybe I'll walk over to Pandora. I'm really hungry, and the one bad thing about Animal Kingdom is there's just really not a lot of like breakfast options here. Unless you're doing a sit-down restaurant, which I'm not today. So we're a tad limited, so I'm just gonna kind of see what I can mobile order, I guess, and then that way I at least have somewhere to sit and eat. But I think we're gonna go over to Pandora and then ride Flight of Passage since most of the queue on that one is indoors.
First, they're known for being shy and rarely seen. Now with Bongo, both the boys and the girls grow horns. Time when you see a hippo moving in the water, they're just walking on the bottom of the river. They are pretty mobile on land though. A hippo can run at 20 miles an hour and turn on a dime. It's the key to their success. In the dog family, painted dogs are related to foxes. Sadly, they're endangered. There's less than 5,000 of them left in Africa. Contrary to popular belief, though, nope, they are not hyenas. Hyenas are not related to dogs. Hyenas are bigger, different color brown, and have a different head and body shape. Translated to English, giraffe means at night. It's cooler, easier to see.
Okay, so we did ride the safari first. I was gonna go on Avatar, but it had a 10-minute wait. I've never done the safari in the rain before, so that was really fun, and I think that's the most animals I've probably ever seen the whole time I've been doing the safari, so that was super fun. Just took some quick photos here. If you guys don't already know this spot, this is amazing. You have the Tree of Life right here, just a perfect view of it, and it's this little nook over here if you're going towards Asia. There's a little down like step here You can go down and then there's usually no one sitting here, so you have free range for photos with no one in the background. I love to take photos here because then nobody watches me, but I'm gonna head over to Flame Tree Barbecue. Usually I eat at Satu'li Canteen, but we're switching it up today. We're going to Flame Tree Barbecue. I got some food, mobile order. Gonna go grab that and then give it a review. All right, this is what I got for lunch. So I got a pulled pork sandwich, some baked beans, a side of cornbread, and then this some sort of like kiwi strawberry lemonade. Lemonade I would give like a 7 out of 10. Oh my. I give the pulled pork like a 9 out of 10. So thank you for everyone that recommended this because this was perfect. It's just super messy, so be prepared for that. Like half of it fell out of the sandwich and onto my plate. So we're eating it with a fork. Now we're gonna try the baked beans, and I love a good baked bean. So we're gonna see if these like, do they have pork in them? Okay, that's pretty good. I'll give the baked beans like a 9.5 out of 10. Those are some good baked beans, and those are so good, like on a rainy day. Now we got cornbread. This is the last piece of my meal here. So I'm pretty picky on my cornbread, and I would give that one like an 8 out of 10. It's like a good size too, so I love that. I love my whole lunch. All right, just went on Everest on single rider. It took me less than 5 minutes to get on. I am gonna head over to Dinosaur though, because if you have not heard, they are gonna be redoing Dinosaur. They will no longer have Dino Land. I forget when that's supposed to happen, but just in case, we're just gonna ride it for good measure.
Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing.
You're all clear.
All right, so we had on and off rain all day so far. It's currently 2:26. I just took the train back to my car, and I'm gonna hop over to Hollywood Studios. I did everything I wanted to do at Animal Kingdom. So we're gonna go ride Tower of Terror, see what else we can do. Everything there had fairly short wait times, so we're gonna see what we can get on. If I could get on Rise, that would just make my whole day so much better. Probably gonna get an early dinner there as well, and just kind of chill for the rest of the night. All right, we're walking because we're parked, but Tower of Terror is only 20 minutes right now. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that one first before any like heavy rain comes here. That would be the perfect setting for that ride. But we're gonna get that one done, and then just looks like there's a lot of low wait times because of the rain today. Alright, it's raining quite a bit here too. It was like a light sprinkle and then decided to turn into a downpour. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like maybe I should head to some shows. I got Tower out of the way. That was super quick. But I'm not even gonna attempt Rise today. Probably do some shopping. I haven't looked at the merch in a while, so I might see like what they have for Halloween. Hi, this is Future Savannah, and I realized that after editing this video, I never did an outro, so we're gonna go ahead and pop in there and do that. Despite all the rain that day, I still had a ton of fun. I make the most out of every day that I have at Disney. I'm just very grateful that I was able to go that day. I did get a little sick afterwards. I think it's from standing in the rain and getting wet all day and then just going in the AC, and I don't know what else I had. It was some sort of cold, but we're all good now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you that take time to watch my content, like my videos, and share them. It means the world to me. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much. Go ahead and comment what your favorite park to do in the rain is. And make sure to hit the subscribe button if you love Disney. I have some spooky surprises coming up here soon, so make sure you're staying tuned for that. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.